first time washing trainers in the wash machine. Hello, it's How To Not To, and in today's video I will be washing my trainers. These are Skechers trainers. I wore them in the rain and have a damp smell to them. They don't smell very nice, basically. So this is Skechers trainers that I'm going to put in the wash machine drum. I did check online to see whether you can wash trainers in the wash machine, and it does say to check the labels of your trainers. There's no label on them as such. I did check, but they're fabric and I think it should be okay. If you do have laces, then I would advise you to remove the laces before you put them in the wash machine. Do give them a clean with a brush. So that's what I'd advise you to do, but I think this should be okay. They're lightweight, so I'm going to add some towels in the washing machine to even the balance of the drum. So the drum doesn't get damaged or the trainers don't get damaged either way. So yeah, I'm going to start to load the washing machine, but before I do, I'm going to add some beads to the bottom of the drum, and the beads I'm going to use are Lenore. Yeah, these are Lenore beads. Very nice smell. These go, just need a handful. Just add them to the bottom of the drum, the wash. And I'm going to place them in there as well. Fingers crossed they'll come out okay. If not, then we'll learn from this video. And to that I'm going to add some clothes as well. I don't know whether, so I'm going to add my slippers as well, and why not add these as well. I'm out of breath. Right, and with that I think I'm going to add some Ariel liquid detergent. Oh, I think I had this one. And what else? So I'm going to add this as well. Another lovely odour to the washing. This is Lenore Outdoor. Should I add some powder detergent, or does that be just over the top? No harm in doing that as well. Just a little bit of this. As the box isn't opened yet, I'm just going to leave that for another day, another wash load. So I think we've got plenty of detergent already going on there. Let's switch it on. And I'm just going to do it on the mix load, which will take 1 hour 6 minutes to do. I'm going to leave everything as it is, 14 minutes. I might want to reduce that slightly, but I don't know. It's not going to make much difference to the time, but maybe might make a difference to the trainers itself. I'm going to risk it and just go for the full, spin speed. I'm going to dry my trainers on top of the radiator, just to dry them out, or you can just put them in a dry room if you got one. And that's it. Let's start. As you can hear there, a bit of thumping around in the drum. Probably should have put it in the laundry bag or pillowcase, but there you go. To be continued.